Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson I'm going to be giving you different tips on when you are working on drawing that you can use. And all these tips only applies to different situations. So I'm just showing you the tips. So the first one is how to break and reassign alignment in SolidWorks. So we're gonna add our view for our drawing. So let's select the check body for this one, and let's just add the front view. And I'm going to hide that origin point, and I'm going to increase the scale, so properties, and I'm going to probably increase this to 1:1 and click OK. So I have this view, and next thing, let's project that view over. So the first thing we want to do is breaking alignment and reassigning it. So as we see this drawing now, as you see, if I click on this drawing, I can only drag it horizontally, but I can't move it up and down because that center line that you are seeing is indicating that this drawing is aligned with this drawing. To break that alignment, what we need to do is right click on it. To break that alignment, all we need to do is right click on this drawing. So we'll right click on it, we'll go to alignment, and we want to select break. So once we break that alignment, now as you can see, this drawing is free to move around, and this drawing is not aligned with this drawing anymore. Sometimes, depending on what type of drawing you are working on or the company you work for, the company I work for, most times we break the alignment and we probably only just use one view for the drawing. And to reassign this back, what you will do is right click on it again, click alignment, and you want to align by, I'm not sure which one works for this one, but let's just try it. So align vertically, would align vertically. This one we want to do horizontally by center. So align horizontally by origin point. Let's try that one. So then I'll click this drawing, and that's the one that works for this. As you can see, it has aligned it back. So I'll right click again, alignment break. So now let's say I move it there. Now I want to right click, alignment. So I want to align it horizontally by the origin point. So align horizontally by origin point, and I'll select this drawing, and now those two are aligned again. So that's how you break alignment and reassign alignment in SolidWorks drawing. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.